Welcome back to Lexus of Royal Oak. We are located at 7677 112th Avenue, Northwest Calgary, Alberta, in the Northwest Auto Mall. Here we have one of our Royal Advantage pre-owned units. It is a 2015 Lexus GS350 F Sport Series 2 in the Starfire Pearl finish. All vehicles purchased at Lexus of Royal Oak come with an automatic enrollment into our Royal VIP Rewards program. This vehicle is a one-owner, local Calgary car with a clean accident-free Carfax. Some of the features do include bi-xenon HID headlamps with the adaptive front lighting system, LED daytime running lights, F Sport front grille, front and rear park assist sensors, headlamp washers, keyless entry with the push-to-start ignition, headlamp washer switch, traction control off, blind spot monitor with a rear cross traffic alert, heated steering wheel, heads-up display, power tilt and telescopic steering wheel, driver seat memory seating, power folding side mirrors, power adjustable front seating, hands-free controls, dynamic radar cruise control, also equipped with a pre-collision, a 12.3-inch multimedia display with navigation and the integrated backup camera, a 17-speaker Mark Levinson premium surround sound audio system, dual-zone climate control, heated and ventilated front seats, drive mode select with the Sport Plus, which includes the adaptive variable suspension, sunroof, black interior, in great shape, and of course, comes with a built-in legendary Lexus quality, reliability, and lowest luxury cost of ownership. To find out more on this vehicle, visit us at lexusofroyaloak.com or give us a call to schedule a test drive today at 403-296-9600.